Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by stopping the bleeding, open monitoring, set realistic temperature targets, and get airflow moving. First, watch live temps. Note idle and load numbers so you know what to change. Then, limit power or set a temp cap in the driver to drop heat quickly while you work. Make sure to run a short stress test for 1 to 3 minutes so you have a baseline. Once done, you'll know whether cooling or settings need the most attention. Now tackle the core. Physically lower the GPU's temperature by cleaning and reseating thermal interfaces. You remove dust from heatsink fins and fans, then decide if repasting is needed. Quality paste and thin, even application greatly improve conduction. Next, optimize chassis airflow. Create a clear front-to-back path, secure cables, and add or reorient fans to reduce turbulence. While doing this, monitor temps. If numbers drop, continue, and if they don't, inspect pad contact and fan spin for mechanical issues. Finish by locking in stable, low heat settings and validating them under load. You undervolt the core in small increments to cut heat without losing performance, and you craft a fan curve that ramps earlier. Start aggressive below 80 degrees C, so the GPU never hits emergency ranges. Once stable, run longer tests. If temperatures remain high, try an aftermarket cooler or file an RMA. If that's necessary, document your diagnostics, temps, and steps taken. This will speed up support and increase your chance of repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.